Hi, I'm going to explain the effects and dangers of earthquakes. So, one of them is landslides or avalanches. And then, because tsunamis or fires or big waves or falling rocks can cause avalanches and landslides because they can knock down stuff, and then that knocks down more things and stuff. Another one is fires, because the earthquake can damage electrical lines or gas lines or tip over coal stoves. Another one is liquefaction. So it's when the shaking makes sand your soil. It makes sand your soil kind of move apart, turning it into a liquid, and then buildings like sink in, and after the shaking stops, it hardens again, so the buildings are stuck in the ground. Another one is tsunamis, because the earthquake can displace water or
two tsunamis can flood houses, and two tsunamis can destroy windows and cause floods.
Yeah.
And then we have
and then another one. There's also not that. There's floods, because landslides or the earthquake or tsunamis or anything can break a dam or make a river or lake reach its maximum level, and it can flood stuff. And then it can also cause diseases and
injuries.
and destruction, because obviously it can knock down buildings and it can put a bunch of dust and dirt in your water, causing diseases. Yeah. That is the effects and dangers of earthquakes. Okay, I'm going to explain the effects and dangers of earthquakes. So number one is avalanches and landslides and mudslides. So the earthquake can knock loose big rocks, and then those rocks cut down trees. So the trees fall over and just fall down the hill, right? Okay. Number two is fires. So, if there's a gas line in the ground, right, one end, and the earthquake can shake it and make it go like that. So now all this gas is releasing. And if someone has a match, it lights it on fire. So big fires can be released, or electrical lines can fall down.
I like that these guys are working.
Number three is liquefaction. So say there's sand. Sand with a house. Little door. So since the sand is or maybe it's soil or something, since it's kind of soft, the shaking will make it move apart, and the house will go down and sink. And then when the sand or soil moves back again, the house will be stuck. So it looks like this. And then, yeah, so same thing.
And then two tsunamis.
Tsunamis.
Two tsunamis.
Tsunamis. So
I
I need to show. Okay, so there's like, so if there's tectonic plates here, they slip and they release a huge amount of energy, or a shock wave, and the water surface above, it pushes the water up, like that. Okay? And then those blobs move out, creating a tsunami. So it's like, it looks like from that it goes to, just a second, it goes to that. So the big blob used to be right there, but it went out and created those. And whichever wave is closest to the shore will hit. Okay. Number 5 is floods. So again, landslides, they can break dams, or the earthquake can break a dam, causing floods. Or the shaking can make the water level rise in the river or a lake, creating floods. Number 6 is diseases and destruction. So dirt and dust can get in your food or water, or you can breathe it in, creating lung diseases, or I don't know, any disease. And then destruction, obviously the earthquake can knock down houses, so can the avalanches and the fires and the liquefaction and the tsunamis and the floods, and yeah. Nice drawing, sorry. Okay, I don't know what that's all about. Okay, so those are the effects and dangers of earthquakes. Okay, Ty, that's enough. Bye.